Hi guys, in today's case study, we are going to see the four-stroke engine. Okay, so we know what a four-stroke engine is, and students are going to explain the parts and the working and the main principle behind the four-stroke engine. Okay.
Okay, let me start. Let me introduce introduction about the four-stroke engine. The four-stroke engine is the heart of the mechanical and an automotive vehicles. The four-stroke engine consists of mainly four strokes, and that are suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. So the four-stroke engine, as I said, is highly used for commercial vehicles like cars and heavy vehicles. So it has a high power efficiency and produce high torque while initiating it. And not only function as an engine, it function as the heart which pumps the vehicle to move. And we have many kind of parts that can help to run the four-stroke engine. That's our throttle valve, and the four-stroke engine is connected to the crankshaft that transfers power, and a differential unit that produces and distributes the power to the vehicle. So that's the introduction of the four-stroke.
Let's see about the components of four-stroke engine. Is a fuel tank. It's a valve, inlet valve and outlet valve. The injector, cylinder, piston, connecting rod, crankshaft.
Let us see about the working of IC engine. Before starting the engine, the piston is in top deck center. Top deck center means it is the highest position of the piston can move. Normally, a IC engine has top deck center and bottom deck center. Top deck center is the topmost part of the cylinder, and bottom deck center is the bottom most area of the piston. The piston can't move below the bottom deck center. While during the suction, it has the four-stroke engine has normally four strokes. First one is suction stroke, and the second one is power stroke, compression stroke, third one is power stroke, and the fourth one is exhaust stroke. During the suction stroke, the piston moves from top deck center to the bottom deck center. During the movement of the piston, the inlet valve opens and the exhaust valve remains closed. After the suction stroke, the compression stroke is done. During the compression stroke, the piston moves from bottom deck center to top deck center. During this, the air fuel mixture inside the cylinder will compress, and volume of inside the cylinder is high. And the next stroke is during the compression stroke, both the inlet valve and outlet valve remains closed. And the next stroke is called power stroke. During the power stroke, the piston moves from top deck center to bottom deck center. This movement, the movement is done by igniting the fuel. In diesel engines, we have fuel injectors, but in petrol engines, we have spark plug to ignition the fuel inside the cylinder. So after that, exhaust stroke. During the exhaust stroke, the fuel is completely burned and the power is generated, and the power is transferred to the wheels through the cam and crankshaft. After that, the vaporized gases inside the cylinder moves out through the exhaust valve. During the exhaust stroke, the inlet valve remains closed and the exhaust valve opens. This is the working of four-stroke diesel engine. In four-stroke engines, there are two types. One is a petrol engine and another one is a diesel engine. As I said before, the difference between the petrol engine is the petrol engine consists of a spark plug, but in the diesel engine, it consists of a fuel injector. The spark plug is used to produce a spark with the help of battery, and the fuel injector, the air is compressed inside the cylinder. A fuel is sprayed inside the cylinder to ignite the compressed air. And also, another difference is petrol engine have inlet port and outlet port, but a diesel engine consists of inlet valve and exhaust valve. Thank you.
In this case, I am going to explain about the differentiation between two strokes and four strokes. The two stroke is mainly used for only two stroke vehicles like a suction and power. So in the four stroke is suction, compression, power and exhaust. These are the major difference. The two stroke is the only most air polluted and the noise pollutions. In the four-stroke is reduced air pollution and noise pollution. This is called as a BS4s and BS6s are more or less stage for only four-stroke vehicles. Thank you.